everybody. Will here with the 10 questions in 60 seconds here at the Royal with today's contestant, Leanne Bateman. Hello, Leanne. How are you?
I'm really good, Will. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to see you.
And you?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Set the timer, Doc. Win Best in Show at Westminster or judge Best in Show at Westminster?
Judge.
If you were a show dog, which judge would you like to examine you?
Well, I'd be a Samoyed, and I'd like to be on your first permit for working group.
Permit assignment. What profession was your childhood dream?
Being a writer.
Oh, very nice. Favorite movie quote?
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
What TV show would you like to appear on?
Oh, Chicago PD.
Who would you like to play you in the movie about you?
Bette Midler.
Should Ken McDermott agree to an interview with me?
Absolutely. Come on, Ken. I'd watch it.
Hear that, Ken? What dog show personality, past or present, would you like to have dinner with?
Jack Ireland.
Aw. What's your life's theme song?
Life is a song.
Oh, it is. What breed of dog do you see yourself as?
A Samoyed. Soft and cuddly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Time's up. Time's up.